When waterproofing the basement walls from the inside, you tend to take the approach that you want to make based on the issue itself. There's multiple ways that water can penetrate the inside of the home. Typically it's through cracks. That's what most people notice on the wall, and ultimately you'll see the water leaking through the crack itself. But if you don't necessarily see a crack that's leaking, most likely it's the cold joint, and the cold joint is where the wall meets the floor, and that has a separate technique for actual waterproofing. So let's maybe take the cracks first. If you see cracks in the wall, there's two ways that you can waterproof that crack. You can use an epoxy injection material that ultimately attacks the crack from the inside and injects the material, trying to approach the outside wall from the inside. It's a very affordable way to take an exterior problem, which is the crack on the exterior wall, but address it from the interior of that wall. It's an epoxy crack injection. It's rather affordable. It tends to come with a multi-year warranty and will work in most cases. Now, if the crack happens to be more horizontal in direction, then you may want to seek alternative methods. And we have alternative methods at Pier, from say waterproofing or water sheathing to braces to interior drain systems. For interior drain systems, those will approach the cold joint water penetration. And again, that's where the wall meets the floor, and it can also capture water, say if water were to come through cracks that are actually too large. There's multiple ways to install an interior drain system, which is essentially a 12 to 18 inch channel that's cut through the floor of the basement and then directs water over to a sump pump and redirects the water out of the house. So between the two, crack injections as a waterproofing technique or interior drains through a cold joint waterproofing technique, those are the two best ways to waterproof your home in very affordable methods versus actually exterior excavating the home and ultimately paying a larger price for heavy equipment, hand digging, and applying waterproofing material to the exterior of the home. You can address that stuff easily from the inside, and at Pier we can do that affordably and offer multiple types of warranties, from multi-year to actual lifetime warranties, in affordable ways that you can make your basement nice and dry, must-free, and create an environment that you can essentially live in for the life of the home.